Hey, Ryan here. Today, let's take a deeper look at Walt Disney and see why it was up today. Part of this was due to the fact that they released news stating that they're in the next stage of the reopening process. This includes opening Magic Kingdom and Disney's Hollywood Studios. This is big considering this is a significant amount of their revenue. Let's take a look at the technical analysis and their chart to see what we can expect going forward. Can they make it back up to the pre-coronavirus levels? Let's take a deeper look. Let's look at the one-day chart for Disney. As you can see, I drew in lines of resistance, but these have been occurring prior to the coronavirus. As you can see the dip here. However, we're getting pretty close back up to those same levels, historical levels to that prior to the coronavirus. So potentially, we're going to start hitting these resistances going up to potentially an all-time high. So the ones that we had to look out for really are the 135 level, 138, 142, and then the all-time high is right there about 150, it looks like. Taking a look at the 30-minute time frame now, I labeled two levels of support that we can see going forward. One at 131, which it hit a couple days ago, and the other, the one we kind of ended the day on, was the 135.5. We saw this kind of got rejected off of this a couple days ago, but it did break through it today, and then it kind of stayed above it, so it is a support. So let's see if it can continue its uptrend. One other tool we can use is the Fibonacci Extension here. On the 30-minute time frame, we use this intraday value to have a swing low position to the swing high. And it did propagate some other levels of resistance. So we have that one at 137 and another one at 139. So these are in between the historical values that we saw previously, but they could still be useful because these are pretty wide. And there's probably going to be some resistance levels in between here. And so this is a good indicator that we potentially will have these going forward. Disney's really been hurting because of its park closures. And so any news of reopening is really going to bolster the stock price. So I think in the future, once coronavirus related reopenings start to occur, the stock price could really head up north, considering it's already back up to almost where it was before the coronavirus. I'd recommend investing in Disney whenever possible. It's been around for a long time and it's pretty much a staple. Thanks guys for watching, but remember to like and subscribe for any more technical stock analysis. Also, you can drop a comment for any specific stocks you want me to take a look over.